Hello, welcome to Pinktown. For today's new arrivals, we have sorority earrings, keychains, and pin sets. If you see anything you like, they will be listed in the description below. Starting off, we have these pink and green stud earrings. They are all earrings are studs. Red and white, blue and white, and blue and gold. These are the only ones with the middle is gold. The rest are silver. For our keychains, we have this red and white shield keychain with white pearls and a key ring, and half red, half white pearl keychain as well. We also have this shield brooch. It has a silver backing. Here we have our three-piece pin sets. Starting off, we have this blue and white pin set. They have butterfly black backings. There's red and white pin set. And there's blue and gold. Down here we have blue and white with a hand sign, heel, and flower. Red and white. These also do have the same butterfly backing. Pink and green. And lastly, blue and gold. All of these will be listed down below, so check them out. Thank you.